I talked about doing a ceiling art piece, or adding some more design to the ceiling in the basement. And I've now have prepared a bunch of the wood, but well, there's much more to prepare, but at least enough to do the first couple. So what I'm doing is I cut them all, trimmed them all to the same size that I wanted, and then cut the ends so they're nice and square, removing any bad parts or any parts that just didn't pass. And then I'm easing the edge. So, I also planed them. So I planed the edges. So they're already planed here. Ran through the planer, so I have them planed all four sides. And now I'm easing the edges so they're not sharp. And rounding them off, easing them here too, rounding them off a little bit. So they look more like this right here. Right now I have 3 different sizes. About a 3-inch, about a 2.5-inch. And this one's probably about a 2-inch. And different species. We have some red oak, some cherry. Looks like probably maple. More red oak, cherry, some white ash. I think this is elm right here. Some black walnut. Some black walnut that is spaltic. We even have a hole there, but we're going to work around that anyways. And some more maple. So we have a good variety of species. So what I'll do is I'm going to finish easing these edges here, and then we'll start putting it together, and it'll become more apparent of what I'm going for. But we're not going to really see the final result until we put them on the ceiling. And that'll be a gradual thing. I'll probably get a couple made, get them oiled, get them ready, let them dry good, and then put them up. Meanwhile, maybe start some others. So this is going to be an ongoing project, but it's going to be some really cool wood being used because they're kind of odds and end pieces. And I have lots of flexibility. You'll see that. Okay, so a little ceiling decor.